Honda New V. Meet the Honda New V, a revolutionary electric concept car designed to cut emissions and revolutionize transportation. It's not just smart, it's brilliant. With AI that not only manages ride-sharing, but also learns and adjusts to the owner's preferences over time. Unveiled in 2017, its price remains a mystery, highlighting the freshness and innovation it brings to urban travel. This isn't just another car. It's a glimpse into the future of eco-friendly, personalized mobility. Get ready to experience transportation in a whole new way with the Honda New V.